guys, and welcome back to Shell's Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share a new DIY project, a Kmart Australia hack. I purchased one of their under-desk storage trolleys and I loved it, but it just was the wrong colour, so I decided to give it a makeover to tie in with my blush pink home office. I paid just $25 for this, guys, and once I assembled it, I had a wonderful idea in mind. I taped up the wheels with some masking tape and took the items outside, minus the drawers. Taking my favourite can of Rust-Oleum chalk paint in the colour blush pink, I sprayed the entire piece pink. Whilst it was drying, I took my favourite Kmart Australia marble contact adhesive and I covered each of the drawers. Measuring out each drawer with a pen, I traced out the shape and then cut it out with scissors. Once complete, I smoothed it out with my hands. I then repeated the same steps with each of the drawers. And here is my completed Kmart hack. Guys, this was a simple, inexpensive DIY that completely transformed the look of this storage solution. Guys, when you're out shopping, you may come across something that just doesn't happen to be the right colour for your home. If you use a few simple ideas, you can transform something just like this, like I did here in my blush pink home office. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and tap that notification bell because I'm currently working on lots more videos for you. So until next time, my friends, thanks so much for watching and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.